Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to IT Snippets. This is the January 2021 update. So over the last year or so, I've not actually been uploading very regularly at all, but I've decided to give myself a little challenge this year. Little challenge is that for this first month of 2021, I'm going to try and release a video every day. It's 31 videos in 31 days, and then I'll be releasing at least, I hope, one video per month, but probably more. I've had some issues recently that have stopped me from recording, mainly the amount of work I have to put into my day job, the amount of hours there that actually pays for all of this, and I have had my mixer and various other pieces of my equipment that have basically just died on me. So things you can look forward to upcoming is obviously, as you can see in front of me, I've not updated the website in a while, so that's going to get a bit of a facelift. I'm also looking at doing boot camps for coding. I've recently started using Python, very basic stuff to automate third-party apps. I have got back into coding in Visual Basic and Auto IT, which is a scripting language also for automation. And I have also purchased the full version of DaVinci Resolve Studio version because version 17 is currently in beta. They're waiting for it to go mainstream before they actually send out my USB key with my key on it. I am also getting the DaVinci Resolve Speed Editor to try, so there'll be an unboxing and testing of that coming up. I'm going to do some more comparison videos like I've done in the past of DaVinci Resolve versus all the other video editing packages that are out there that some people recommend, and generally build up on the number of videos that's on this channel. I'm nowhere near monetization. This all gets paid out of my own back pocket. At this point, I've actually spent so much on equipment over the years, I don't expect it to make its money back, but if it did, that would be awesome. And I'm just going to continue making new content. I've added USB ports to my motorcycle in order to get some onboard footage. Although I don't have decent cameras for that, it's little GoPro knockoffs from Amazon that you've seen me test previously on my channel if you've been here for any real length of time. And as always, I'm open to suggestions. If you want me to try something, then by all means reach out. I've currently got a couple of things that I've been testing that I'm going to actually put out as tutorials, one of them being a network level ad blocker. I'm also going to have a network level VPN, and then potentially, if there's enough interest in it, a way to have two networks in your house that all go through the one internet connection, but depending which one you connect to will depend on whether or not you get ad block and VPN or just ad block. I will also be doing an incoming VPN server that will allow you to connect, for example, your mobile phone to your home network so that you can do things when you're out, or indeed your laptop would probably be better use for that. However, I'm using my phone at the moment so that it blocks ads and I can still do various other things when I'm out and about. So for the time being, that's what I'm thinking about for the channel. I'll be experimenting with a few things that YouTube's thrown in the mix since the last time I used it. I will be using my ancient iPhone 5C to do some shorts just to see how they actually work. I've never been a fan of short form video. I'm really not a fan of vertical video, but I'm going to try and use everything that is actually at my disposal in order to continue working on this channel. One of the main reasons for the lack of content recently has been the vast amount of information that I have tried to accumulate in order to make better tutorials for you, and several projects that I tried to record and for one reason or another just did not turn into a video that felt like something I can put out. I have to rebuild my entire network at some point. That's all my machines on the network. It's probably about 20 machines. I've got some more upgrade videos that have already been recorded and just need edited. I've got some tips for new YouTubers, including microphone comparisons. I've done creating my own cables for networking, and I'm basically testing things like that because I think it's one of those things that it's a skill that someone who's used it regularly and for so long has no issues with using and thinks it's nice and simple. But if you're trying to create your first network cable from scratch, it's a completely different story. So that's what I've got planned. Those of you who have subscribed to me, I appreciate each and every one of you. And there's no monetization in this channel, there is no Patreon, there is no subscribe star. The only way you can help this channel is to help me grow, and that's by sharing my video, subscribing, and obviously ringing that bell. So I'd like to say thank you for your support so far, and Happy New Year from me at IT Snippets, and I wish you all the best for the new year.
If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.